Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 delicious recipes with apples. Yes, apples. So, because you know it's apple season. Yes, so this is great. I have 1 apple here. I have some cocoa nibs packed full of fiber, help with your digestion. And we need that. If your digestion is good, then your gut enzymes are good as well. We also have here some sunflower butter. Now you can use any kind of nut butter that you want, but I'm using sunflower butter. For those of you who are allergic to peanut butter, then you can use this butter. All right, so with that being said, this is, oh, and inside of my butter, I have a little tip of maple syrup, and that's just pretty much up to you if you want to do it, but my kids like it with the maple syrup. I'm going to show you real simple and real easy how to make this delicious recipe, okay? So let me move this out the way. You will also need a little plate to assemble. And let's just start cutting this up, or apple. So once you've done that, I'm going to cut my apple up. Just cut them small, just like this. See that? And I'm going to do that to all of them all the way around. And when I'm finished, I'm going to show you how I'm going to assemble this. Okay? So I'll be right back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. So what I did was I took my sunflower butter and the maple syrup. And I add a little bit of water to it. And I just mixed it around. So this is how creamy and delicious it should look. And then what you're going to do is that you're just going to take it and you're just going to sprinkle it all over it, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. I mean, I'm not going to get a perfect sprinkle. That's perfectly fine. You don't have to go crazy. I'm just going to use all of it because we're all going to eat this. So just go ahead and just don't be shy about it. Just use it up. And then I'm going to add a little cacao nibs to this. Looks so pretty. It's a little bitter, but it's the purest form of cocoa that you can use. It tastes absolutely delicious to me. And with the sweet apples, you won't taste it. All right, so this is like a, what do you say, like a apple vegetable natural bowl, a little healthier, right? But instead of nachos, we are using apples. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some cranberries. You can use raisin if you want. This is just to give it a little color, so you could go ahead and omit this step if you would like to. This is how simple and easy it is to get yourself a nice, delicious snack to eat. And you don't have to feel guilty about it. It's absolutely delicious. You're going to love it. Your kids are going to love it. And your entire family will love it. I am telling you, this is a real, simple, easy recipe. Quick, run out the door, at home, you're watching TV, you want something to eat, you want to be healthy. This is the perfect healthy snack that you can have right now, okay? All right, my healthy people, my next video will be another recipe involving apples. You're going to love it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free, so go ahead and hit that little red button that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can get all your notifications. Okay, my healthy people, so say it with me. Stay healthy.